Okay, I think that previous video I forgot to fill in the letter grade. So let's go through and talk about if statements. And this will be, we'll start out with just one single argument and then we'll add in nested if statements. Okay, so we have our final grade is calculated. We've got all the right percentages in there from the columns. And now we want to turn this number into a letter grade. So A, B, C, D, E, F. We're going to type in equals if, and remember, if you click on the function, it'll kind of give you these fillers. So it'll tell you what to put in. So first we need to tell what the logical test is, and then what the output is if it's true, if that test goes through true, and then if it's false. So three different inputs for this if statement. So first let's do the logical test. So we're going to say if this is, maybe let's try and go for the A first. If this is larger than or equal to, let's say 90, then we'll output an A. And if not, we'll just say other. So let's just put in one grade here to see if that will work. So what this will do, if I change this to maybe a 95, then it switches to an A. But then if I switch it back to where it was, it is other. Okay, so that's for one letter grade. How would I change that if now we want to add in B, C, D? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put another if statement into this third argument. So we're going to say if it's true, we'll go to A. If it's false, we're going to head on to another if statement. So this is going to be another if. And we'll kind of have to start doing the same thing in here. So this third argument is now going to be if D6. And for the next time down, we don't actually have to say between 80 and 90. It's already passed the 90 test. So if it was an A, it's already outputted A. And the next step down, so this is an order of operations thing too. Okay, so next step down, if it's larger than 80, then we'll output B. And remember, we still have that third argument. So I'll leave that third argument as other. Okay, so now let's try it out. We've got 95 will give us an A, 85 will get us a B, and then everything else will give us other. Okay, so hopefully that'll give you started. By the end of this, you'll have quite a few parentheses. Notice that the parentheses are color-coded. So we've got a red pair, a blue pair, and as you make it, it will kind of highlight, embolden what it goes with, so you can tell what goes with what. That was a nice improvement that was made. Okay, hopefully that helps you out with the if statement there.